Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add text to a text box in Google Docs. First open your Docs file and select your text box position. Now select Insert. Select your drawing option, select New Plus. And here we will find this text box icon, select Android text box. And select here, do not auto fit Android text box. And double click on this text box and put your text. Also you can write text. Yeah. Also you can change text box border white. Also you can change fill color. Yeah, this is. Now select save and close. Our text box text already added. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.